Little bit late getting started on this video. Was watching the Tyson fight, but man, crypto looking strong. XRP's been battling with that $1 price point. Must have been Alex Cobb streaming or something. We sold off a little bit to 95 cents currently. We'll take a look at the price action. Looking really, really good. Brad Garlinghouse with an absolutely epic interview today. Has everyone pumped. We'll get into that. We got some rumors about the SEC chair position, the CFTC, all sorts of stuff going on, all of it good. Let's take a look at these prices. Bitcoin up 19% on the 7-day, $91,000 per coin. Absolutely amazing. Ethereum, it's only up 2%. Really straggling here at the moment, $3,124. Look at XRP. We had that sell-off, but we're still sitting at 95 cents. I think we're looking strong here. As I've been saying, I think it's going to be a great bull run here for XRP past Dogecoin, and it's going to continue passing. I expect we're going to pass BNB and Solana, and we're going to end up right there at number 3. Let's look at Brad Garlinghouse here. He was on Fox News, and he was asked point blank, did you meet with President Trump post-election? He wouldn't comment. You know this guy met with him, and he just sounds so enthusiastic, so excited about the state of cryptocurrencies here in America. He understands this space has changed so much, so quickly. The gloves are off here, man. It is going to be pandemonium in 2025 as these companies like Ripple, like Circle, like Coinbase, they can just go out there and build the future without having to worry about getting hauled in the court every other day. We're in a great position. 2025 is going to be absolutely epic. And I love seeing Brad there. He gave a great interview. And you know darn well and good they are having direct contact with the White House as they get ready for an epic 2025. Dark Horse saying this following. I tip my hat to Charles Hoskinson for helping the ADA network be more MiCA ready for the EU. I've just read through the template for MiCA. Everyone in every network should take note. Charles knows what he's doing. He knows how to build out a network, and that network is ready for the future. It's ready for a regulatory environment, and we're going to get there. And look what Charles says here. It's very clear that I'm going to be involved in some capacity in terms of the Trump administration and their approach to crypto. Cardano recently co-founded the alliance with Hedera, Algorand, and Ripple to create a unified standard for decentralized recovery of crypto wallets. Just a ton going on, and all of a sudden you had all the minds that are saying, get out of the US, go overseas, don't mess around here in this country. And now it's all the spotlight's coming back here for those US companies that really went through a battlefield here the last couple of years. They're ready to rock and roll, and there's just excitement around the crypto industry here in this country for the first time in a long time. It is so amazing. We see Eleanor Terrett telling us the following. Sources close to the transition team tell her that the next SEC chair will be pro-crypto. You know that's going to happen. And of course, they're going to be equipped for other issues within the SEC's purview, like public companies, the stock market, bond market, private funds. That's the bulk of what they have to do anyway. But what's important is they have a pro-crypto stance. That's going to happen. Also, she goes on to say this is also why we need to keep an eye on who becomes the CFTC chair just as closely, because what she's been told by insiders is that they're probably going to shift more responsibility for the crypto space over to the CFTC, which makes sense. Most of these coins are not securities. I think we need some new laws, though, because again, remember, CFTC usually they deal with derivatives of commodities, not just pure commodities. So this will be interesting to see this all come together. And I think we will see crypto regs next year, which are just going to springboard us forward. Absolutely massive time here. We see SWE just rocking and rolling, hitting $10 billion in market cap for the first time in history. And it doesn't look like it's going to be slowing down. I think the price was $3.60 a coin. Absolutely massive gainer, and it's just starting to gain traction. It's going to continue going up. And lastly, big update coming to the XRP ledger. XLS 66D amendment has reached consensus. We're ready to go with this one here. XLS 66D adds risk mitigation, fixed term loans, and compliance features to meet the standards of institutional demand. So as we get ready to take a lot of these institutional lending products online, This chain, the XRP Ledger, is ready to rock and roll, ready to be an institutional grade solution. We also see first capital loss protection, which gives investors a safety net. The system's really interesting. I'm wondering if institutions can bring this, bring this to the public blockchain, and if we register, if we can throw money in the till and earn some interest, could be really, really interesting there. XLS 66D introduces uncollateralized loans to blockchain, a rare feature that opens up new markets, so new use cases for the XRP Ledger. Customizable loan structures are another standout feature. Institutions can design products tailored to their specific needs, enabling flexibility, innovation. So this is all about lending and borrowing and just institutional grade services. We're getting ready to use this stuff too. If this would have been the past, we'd be like, great, you have the capability, but who's going to use it in the current environment? That ain't happening no more. It is time to go out there and launch real products and onboard customers. 2025 is going to be really exciting. Let me know what you think down below. As always, please like, please subscribe. The revolution will be televised right here on Jungle Link.